Hello, this is Dave from Wheeler Industry Company Limited. Today's video is about four-wheeler ATV. The ATV is a big size for adult. You can see we have passenger seat with backrest. And the ATV is available on 300cc and 350cc. The sample here, we have a manual gear shift, electric starter, forward, reverse, and neutral. Okay. Choke, turning, horn, and here's a starting headlight, flame out here starting, and shorter. Here is for the winch in the front. Front cargo rack is plastic, and LED headlight is very bright in the night. Here is the winch. As you can see, it's a shaft driving on two front wheels with dual shock suspensions in the front and two big disc brakes here. In the rear, it's also shaft driving with another two dual shock suspension. We have the disc brake in the rear, two disc brakes. Okay. So for the latest prices, please feel free to contact us. It's very big size. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.